Hello, welcome to Calculus 1. My name is Margaret Watts, and I'm going to be your professor for this course. I wanted to take this time to let you get to know a little bit about me and to show you around the Canvas site. So I am originally from South Louisiana, and I now live in Nebraska and teach at Doane University. I have 4 kids, 5 cats, and 1 snake, and I don't get a lot of free time. But when I'm not working on classes or playing with my kids, I like to do jigsaw puzzles, play video games, play regular games with my kids, like board games, and I like to watch anime and Korean dramas. I also like to read books if I ever get the chance. Alright, so let's look around the Canvas site a little bit. So you'll notice here that this is the home page. You can see on the right side, it has some things, a list of things that you have to complete in the course. Here it has my name, my email address, and it lets you know that each module starts at 6 a.m. Monday morning and it runs until the following Sunday. You also have these buttons where you can start here. You can look at the syllabus. You can go to the modules. All the course content will be in the modules. The first thing you need to do, though, is take a look at the syllabus. The syllabus is a contract between you and me, and it lets you know about the textbook. It lets you know about how you will be graded, what I am expecting for you, the makeup policy, how much time is required for this course, all the important things you need to know. So make sure you read through the syllabus and please email me if you have any questions. Also, if you scroll down, you can see a course summary where it has dates and it has all the things that are due on different dates. So now, if we go I want to show you the calendar. So if you go to the calendar on the side, you can also see how everything when it is due. So today is actually the 2nd of January when I'm recording this, but your first day of class is the 16th, and on Tuesday the 17th you have some things due, and then the 18th, 19th, and 21st. So each week you're going to cover 3 sections of calculus, and so you will have homework and notes due for each of the sections, and each week you will either have a quiz or a midterm or a final exam due on Sunday. So make sure you know when all these things are due and read all instructions to keep up with the course. If you get behind at any time because life happens, please just let me know, and I can work with you to keep you on track for finishing the course successfully. Okay, so then if you go to modules, this is where all the course content will be. You can see that at the top there's a question center where you can ask questions or you can email me questions. You can see that a lot of things are blocked out. You can't just access everything at once. And that's because calculus builds on itself, so it's very important that you do things in order. So the first thing you have to do is go through the introduction to the course. So you can see that on some pages you just have to view them to get through. Some of them you have to actually submit something to get to the next level. Once you complete the introduction to the course, the week 1 module will open, and you can see that there are videos for you to watch, assignments for you to submit, and things like that. So just to show you, for example, you start with Introduction to the course. If you haven't yet, view the syllabus, and then you can go down and you can click the next button to get to the next thing. So one thing that you're going to have to do is upload assignments as PDFs. So these are some YouTube videos to teach you how to do that if you don't know how. So then you have to practice uploading. And so sometimes I have a rubric down here to show you how I'm going to grade things. You can start the assignments. You just choose something to upload. I'm going to upload the syllabus for this course because it doesn't really matter what I upload. I just want to show you that once you submit the assignment, the next thing opens. Yay, I did it. So now you can either keep clicking the next button, or if you click on modules again, I just want to show you that now instead of in gray, these things are in black, meaning that they are open. So you have to go through all of these assignments in order, and at least in this module. Some modules you don't have to do them in order, but let me know if you have any questions. So for homework, quizzes, and exams, the interface will look like this in Canvas. You do have an option for homework, not for quizzes and exams, but for homeworks, to use late passes to extend the due date. And you have 15 late passes, and it will extend the due date by 24 hours. So the first homework you have to do is just learn how to use this homework system. So you just click start, and you go through, and it says if blah blah blah. If you want to enter a number, you just type in the number below, 8.2897, and then you submit the question. For homework, you have infinite numbers of tries. So you can see here where it says like 99. I'm assuming that that's infinite for you guys. So if you would have got it wrong, you could get a similar question. So let me get one wrong just to show you. Let's see, 36.119, and then 35, and this one would be 36.1192. Okay, so I got them all incorrect. And so I can retry the question below, or I can get a similar question. So now I'm on my second question. Okay, you want to round to the nearest hundredth, so let's do that. Alright, so now if I submit the question, it is all correct, and so far I have 2 out of 10 answered. If I want to skip to a different question, if you don't want to do them in order, you can skip around. Your progress is saved. You can click done when you're done, and you can see that I have a score of 20% because I finished after, I said I was done after the second question. But you can also resume, and you can, I wasn't really done, right? I didn't finish, and so you can keep going. So again, let me know at any point if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoyed the course and learned a lot.